Hello, in this video we will be preparing a repayment schedule. Let's see this example. After making 20% down payment, a couple purchased a home using a mortgage of $155,000 at 6.25% for 20 years. First find the monthly payment and then prepare a loan repayment schedule for the first 3 months. If you remember from the previous example, the monthly payment is the amount of the loan divided by 1000, which is 155, multiplied by the value from the table. And the table, we use 20 years and 3.25%. We found the monthly payment to be 1,178. 1,178. So this is the monthly payment. So after the first month, the interest is principal times rate times time. Because they took a loan of $155,000, that first month before they make their payment, they're going to be charged interest. And this is how we find the interest. Multiply the loan amount times the rate times the time, which is 1 month, 1/12. And we find it to be $871.88. So the interest payment for the first month is $871.88. And this amount, after they make their payment, part of it is going to go for this interest and the rest will go for the principal. So we take the monthly payment 1,178 minus the interest 871.88. We find 306.12, which is the principal payment. So let me write it here, 1178 minus 871.88, and that will give us 306.12. So this is how much they paid for the principal, and this is how much for the interest. So the remaining balance, since this is the only amount paid for the principal at the first month, so the remaining balance will be whatever they owe from before minus 306.12, and that's gonna give them 154,693.88. Now let's see, we're gonna follow the same step to find for after the second month. This is the value we took from the table. So the second month interest is the principal times rate times time. So now the principal become not 155 but 154,693.88. Multiply that by the rate and then by 1 month, which is 1/12. We get 870.15. So this is the amount was paid for the first interest payment in the second month. So since this $870.15 went for the interest, how much left for the principal? You take the payment minus the interest, we get 307.85. So let me write it down, minus whatever interest we paid, so it's gonna be 307.85. and now the remaining balance will be whatever was before 154,693.88 minus the amount they just paid, which is 307.85, and that will give us this number, 154,386.03. And now the next is for the third month interest. We do exactly the same. Whatever we have here, 154,386, the principal, the remaining balance, multiply by the rate, multiply by the time, we get 868.42. And now we subtract that from the monthly payment to find out that the amount paid is 309.58. So this is the amount paid for the principals, and therefore the remaining balance will be whatever was here before, 103 minus 309.58, which is 154,076.45. And I hope this was helpful.